Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I just want to do a little review on the thing crazy that just happened yesterday, and it's just very hilarious. And before I tell you the thing, please make sure to like and subscribe. That would help me a lot. So, by the way, yesterday it was July the 4th and all that fireworks stuff, and yesterday also, not long ago, there was a live stream. And Ishowspeed literally lit fireworks in his room. Just watch this clip.
Alright, let's go! I got a light of fireworks right now. First one off! Let's light the Pikachu one, y'all. Let's light the Pikachu one, y'all. I don't think it's gonna be that loud, personally. Oh, shit. I don't think it's gonna be that loud, y'all.
Okay guys, so he's literally about to light up Pikachu. He's literally about to light up fireworks in his room, and you're not gonna believe what will happen. Plus his mom was home too. Just check this video out.
Pikachu!
Yo guys, this video is about to get even more crazier. Literally things are gonna start breaking and flashing. Just watch.
Oh! No! No! No!
Okay guys, so he just launched a firework in his room and there was a disaster happening. Now, his mom is literally gonna start screaming and panicking at him. Just keep on watching this video.
Oh shit! Mom! Oh my god, Mom! Oh my goodness! No!
Oh my God, is it a fire?
No, it's not!
Yes, it is.
It's not!
What the fuck is you doing?
I didn't know! I thought
Oh my God!
Stop!
Turn that stream on!
I didn't...
Oh my God, this is on fire!
I didn't know! I thought it was the popping ones, Mom!
Oh my fucking God!
Okay guys, so this is gonna be the most interesting part. His smoke alarm literally went off and the firefighters came in the room. This is so insane.
Where at? I feel like right here to get your tick. Yeah. Talk to me. What happened? A firework went off?
Yeah, a firework went out, then it just like went boom. Like, I don't know. Like, it just started going. Look, it's like black stuff in the air right now.
Yeah. You don't have anything?
That's it. It just went out.
You think it for us in the first truck?
Yeah, that'll work.
You want me to get her together?
Engine 51. You can go ahead and make this for engine 51 in the first truck.
Okay everyone, and to end this off guys, this was insane. And before I end the video, consider liking and subscribing, and comment if comments are turned on. Comment down below. What do you think? Was this stupid? Was this funny? Like, I don't know, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll just see you in the next video.